Hello students, welcome to class 9th SST History chapter 2nd, that is Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. This is part 8. Children, the topic of discussion is what changed after October. Children, you had studied about February Revolution, then in April, before that March, and then you can say September. Now it comes with some revolution took place in October, in which Kerensky brought troops, and all these peoples had a very, you can say, critical fighting with them. Bolsheviks finally won and they led the country. Along with this, children, I want to discuss that all these Bolshevik party, it was totally under power, and they tried to impose various types of things on Russian people. Children, one thing that is to be discussed here, in November 1917 banks were nationalized, and Russian army, Petrograd Soviet, they were given a special types of uniform. That was a special Soviet hat. Its name was Budianovka. That is Soviet hat. It was given to Russian soldiers. They had to wear, and there was clothing competition in Russia. Along with that, in countryside, most of the landowners, they started acquiring piece of lands, because Bolshevik party supported it. They told that peasants of Russia, they can seize the land of nobles, they can seize their big houses, buildings, and they can occupy it and possess it. After getting this permission, there was a typical clash between rich peoples and peasants. Sometimes they had to fight with each other, and they had to make a special discussion, and sometimes hot talks were there, and most of the people who were supported by pro-Tsarist and who were supported by Russian, you can say, those peoples that was of provisional government, all these people supported these rich people, and sometimes they clashed on occasion of seizing. When they were seizing their piece of land, they stopped, and sometimes massacre took place, killings took place, and sometime Bolshevik party, on one hand, on behalf of seizing their land, they killed many noble peoples, and a lot of massacre took place, and it was a critical condition in Russia, and people thought that what Bolsheviks are doing. In this manner, Bolshevik party wanted to dominate, and they made a secret police. Children, before that, I want to describe that Bolshevik party. It was renamed by Russian Communist Party. Children, RCP, that is Bolshevik, was renamed Bolsheviks Party, was renamed and became Russian Communist Party. Okay, means a new name came to Bolshevik party, and in November 1917 election was conducted by Bolsheviks. However, this election was not proper, unfair. It was not according to constitution, but still this election was conducted, and a type of Duma was formed, and peoples, they had become you can say, they became owner of their views, and they had to do what they wanted. But Bolsheviks, to impose its supremacy, they made secret police, and the secret police was made. But before that, in March 1918, a peace treaty with Germany took place. Means Russian Communist Party succeeded in making a peace with Germany so that there should be no interference from external armies, means outsiders. So in this manner Bolsheviks thought that they will remain safe when Germany will support them. In this manner, but in Russia, pro-Tsarist and many other party leaders and those who were supporter of Tsar system, they wanted to create a difficult situation in city area. But Bolshevik leaders, they were very keen towards these circumstances and they tried to make various secret police. They recruited secret police. It was named as Cheka first. Later on its name was given OGPU and NKVD. Children, they have full authority. These secret police, they had to arrest such peoples who had opposite views of Bolsheviks, who did not like socialism. Those people who was who was supporting private property, all these people, and those who had criticized Bolshevik leaders, all such peoples were secretly arrested by Cheka first, which was later named as OGPU and NKVD. It was a Russian abbreviation. So now it is not of the mark, but still we should know in short form. Children, after October 1917, experiments in arts and architecture that was conducted by Bolshevik party, and they thought that we should develop our towns, our land should be developed, and arts and architecture should be cultivated so that the hidden talent of Russians, it comes out and people come in front, talented people comes in front and try to develop Russian system. But what happened? Children, the civil war began. Means there were different parts in Russian society. Russian society was divided into three categories: reds, greens and whites. Children, reds were Bolsheviks and greens were socialist revolutionaries who wanted to bring socialism, and pro-Tsarist, they were supporter of Tsar system, that is monarchy rule. That's why they had a conflict, and this confliction was so, you can say, it became so harsh and it became so much critical that people had to fight with each other. Children, these greens and whites, they were supported by various other countries like Britain, France and Germany. These countries never wanted that there should be socialism in Russia. They were, they opposed this system and never liked that Russia should become a socialist country. That's why, greens and whites, they had conflict with reds. Reds wanted socialism, that is Bolshevik party, and this created a critical situation and people clashed with each other. There was huge massacres, killings took place. This was known as civil war in Russia. Children, this civil war conducted a farce fires condition, and the development system and other things, they were totally stopped. Along with that, the peasants, they had also involved in massacres. They had also killed many innocent people, and those people who resisted their ideas and those people who resisted their actions, they were killed in mass. So many types of situation came in this system, and Russia was involved in civil war. And slowly, when these reds, greens and whites clashes, they were handled by Bolshevik parties, and finally Bolsheviks became dominant day by day because they conceded Soviets, Petrograd Soviets and the army. Later, one thing more children, the major cause of this civil war that, in army rumor spread that there was going to be a free land distribution because peasants were getting their lands because of Vladimir Lenin's statement. He told that. So all these armies, they bragged up, means they started leaving their duties and they started to go to their homes because they thought that when we will go home, then we will get piece of land. Otherwise, we are serving in army, then we are deprived of this piece of land. That's why they bragged up, and it created the army became weaker. That's why, in Russia, this civil war became more dominant and it created a forceful condition, and Russia, it created a problem. Okay, thank you for watching this clip.